Soccer DBB number 48. That's 2016-17 Revolution one box break. First up, random for the not so good teams. Dice roll is the same for both randoms, and Snake Eyes is reroll. Good luck. 7 times. Here we go. 1. Hello. Wow, random is slow, it seems. Wow, took a while. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last and final time. Good luck. 7. We have Ajax on top, Lyon, Marseille at the bottom. On to the good teams, guys. Also 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's a final time. Good luck. 7. We have Leicester on top, Real Madrid at the bottom. Oops, I took the wrong one. Here we go. So Lars gets Leicester, Gustavo Bayern, Sergio AC Milan, Luis gets Atletico, Dennis gets Paris, René gets Dortmund Schalke, Stefan gets Barca, Gustavo Juventus Villarreal, Sergio gets Boca Juniors combo, Thorsten gets Real Madrid, Lars gets Ajax, Gustavo Roma, Sergio Inter Milan, Luis Fenerbahce, Dennis Standard Lüttich, René gets Basel, Stefan gets Porto, Gustavo Moscow Zenit combo, Sergio Sporting, and Thorsten Büsing gets Lyon Marseille. There are your teams, guys. Good luck. One box of a Revolution Soccer. Check out my store. I posted some one box high-end breaks on there. 2015 National Treasures Football. It's random team break for one box. And what else? Football and Noir Soccer 16 spot break. Check that out. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. We got Astro for Real Madrid, Toni Kroos. Astro parallel, Toni Kroos, Real Madrid. And on the right, Real Madrid, Asensio. All right, oh, we got an autograph in here, guys. Let's do the autograph at the end. We got Stargazing, Astro, Gareth Bale for Real Madrid as well. Wow, 3 hits for Real Madrid. Revolutionaries, Ancelotti for Roma. Base, and Infinite for Fenerbahce. That's So. And Neymar base. We got Astro, Wojciech Szczesny for Roma, and Stargazing is Klaas-Jan Huntelaar, Schalke. We got Roma Florenzi, and that is number 225, 14 of 25, Disco parallel for AS Roma. Who is Roma? Who is Roma? Roma is Gustavo. That's it. Base. We got Revolutionaries, Diego Maradona, and that on the right is Dolberg for Ajax. Maradona is Astro parallel. That's Sergio. Last pack before we move to the autograph. I have a feeling that's a good autograph. I don't know why. We got Diego Godin for Atletico Madrid, and that is Hyperplate. Nice. Hyperplate for Atletico. Oh, stream is lagging here, I guess. Let me check that in a minute. Hyperplate for Atletico, and Atletico is Luis. All right. Good luck, guys. Here we go on the autograph. Last is the base. Autograph is upside down. Wow, Diego Simeone. Sick. Not numbered. Diego Simeone for Atletico. Atletico Madrid. And that is going to Luis as well. Congrats, Luis. Nice hit. Atletico Madrid. Diego Simeone. All right, that's it for the break. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.